Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add an anchor on Wix. So let's go to Wix editor site first. Now you have to click on plus icon. Before click on plus icon, you have to click on this pages and menu, and you have to select the position where you want to, in which page you want to add the anchor. I'm choosing this contact, this one. Now click on plus icon, this one, and then you'll find here, scroll down and you'll find here menu and anchor. Click on this menu and anchor, and then you'll find here anchor. Click on anchor and you can see the anchor is here. You have to just click on this anchor and you can see that anchor 1 is here. You can drag it to the position you want. You can name the anchor, like I'm naming it example. Now just click on this anchor URL and you have to paste the URL here. Okay, which URL suffix you have to paste the URL here, and then you can see here, click on this anchor and go to menus and pages and select that where you want to add this anchor. So this is how you can add an anchor in Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.